Further modifications to the 2x72 grinder. Built a work rest, and I've given it tilt capability, and I finally got my VFD actually mounted up. So if you have a grinder that is not doesn't have tilt built in, maybe this will work for you. So I laminated these blocks together, construction adhesive and lag bolts, and they're also lagged all the way through to the table, and actually carriage bolts, and then pretty heavy duty hinges here, and they're attached to the base plate. So as it sits right now with the rest on, I'll try to do this one-handed. So loosen the work rest. It's pretty heavy, so bear with me. So pull the work rest out, flip it, put it back in. There's a little bit of a gap there. I'm actually going to put micarta on this surface to make it easier to slide. So tighten it back up again, and then the whole thing tilts over. These blocks here are going to be cleaned up and have some ventilation on them, but the whole grinder tilts horizontal. So now the grinder's horizontal. I can still get to my stuff. So I can do horizontal grinding. Turn it off. Flip it back up. Back to vertical. Tighten down. There's also tilt. Shut that off before I skin myself. So there's also tilt on the table. Tilts down and up, whatever angle you want, and it locks down. There you go.